Rise and shine, kids. Today we are going to study the poem Leisure by William Henry Davis. My kids, leisure means free time. We all do some activity whenever we are free. But in today's time, we are so busy that we don't have free time. So let's study about the poem Leisure. What is this life? It is full of care. We have no time to stand and stare, no time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep and cows, no time to see when woods we pass, where squirrel hide their nuts in grass, no time to see in broad daylight streams full of stars like skies at night, no time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes begin. A poor life this if, full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. My kids, let's study the explanation. What is this life? Full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. No time to stand beneath the boughs and stare as long as sheep and or cows. In these lines, my kids, poet is complaining about a rushed life. Rushed life means busy life. Poet is complaining that our life is so busy that there is no purpose of life to enjoy. It is full of worries and anxiety. We are so busy, we are full of worries that we don't have leisure time, means free time to enjoy for ourselves. We cannot call this life a pure life. Poet is saying life which is full of worries, full of busy, full of, if our life is full busy, we cannot call this as a pure life. Today we are so busy that we don't have enough to pause and admire the beauty of nature around us. Poet is saying in today's time we are so busy that we don't have enough time that we can pause for a while and admire the beauty all around nature, and we don't have enough time to stand under the branches of green trees, under the beneath the boughs means branches of trees. Poet is saying we don't have enough time that we can stand under the branches of trees and look at the common animals like sheep and cows grazing in the pastures, means they are eating the grasses. So you can see in the picture how beautiful it is looking. The common animals like sheep and cows, they are grazing in the pastures. No time to see when woods we pass, where squirrel hide their nuts in grass. No time to see in broad daylight, stream full of stars like skies at night. Now poet is saying that we do not have enough time to look at the tall and the short trees when we pass through forest. My kids, when woods we pass means when we pass through the forest, we don't have enough time that we look at the short and the long trees. We simply ignore, we don't value them because we don't realize that that is also the beauty of nature. We can't even spare a few moments to enjoy the soothing effect that these trees offer. Poet is saying that we can't even spare, we can't even spend a few minutes to stand beneath the tree and enjoy the soothing effect of the shadow. Okay, moreover shadow is given by trees, green trees. Moreover, we cannot see the small animals such as squirrel hiding in the food grains in the grass. Poet is saying moreover we don't have enough time that we see these small tiny creatures like squirrels who is hiding their food grains in the grass. During the daytime, when the sun rays falls upon the clear water of the river, stream means flowing water of the river. Now poet is saying very wonderful line. Just imagine the rays of the sun are flowing on the river, and it looks like it is reflecting like the suns, the like the stars are shining just like in night. But we busy people don't have time to see this. See this line, no time to see it in broad daylight. Broad daylight means the sunlight which is falling on the river stream full of stars. It is the sunlight is shining like the stars twinkles just in the night. But we people don't have enough time to see this. You can see in the picture also how beautiful squirrel is looking, the small trees and the long trees, and you can see the just like stars are twinkling same in the way the sun rays are falling on the river. Okay, kids, no time to turn at the beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that her smile her begin. In these line, kids, the nature is personified as a young, beautiful, dancing woman with a smiling face. It means personified means we are personifying, we are imagining, poet is imagining in nature as a woman, and he's saying that we don't have enough time to look carefully at the nature that it can refresh ourselves. Okay, when nature changes, it is like a beautiful dancer, and the leaves, flowers, branches, and the sound of the river flowing in the river, flight of the birds, the chirping of the birds, all are the part of the nature's dance. Poet is saying the nature's dance include flowing of the river sound, okay, birds chirping, and its flowers, branches, sound of the river, all these are the nature's dance. But unfortunately we don't have time to admire these changes of nature. Whenever there is a change in the nature, it's the beauty, it's the true beauty of the nature. And poet has compared nature with a beautiful woman who is dancing with the smiling face. What is the nature dance? Nature dance is the river flowing, sound of the river flowing, birds chirping, and season changing, nature changing, and everything. Okay, a poor life this is. It is full of care. We have no time to stand and stare. Now, poet is saying our life is so poor. Why he called our life poor? Because our life is so, busy life, and he called our life as useless life, which is under the pressure of engagements. Engagement means we are in the pressure of busy life. Our life is so busy, and we have forgotten the importance of nature and the beauty of nature too. We don't have time to stand at a place and admire the nature around us. Now poet is saying that we don't have enough time, then we can admire the beauty of nature. My kids, just look at the picture, how beautiful the nature is looking, isn't it? So my kids, poet is saying whenever we get free time, we just should admire the beauty of the nature. So though our life is busy, but somehow we should bring a leisure time in our life, means free time in our life, and admire the beauty of nature. Hope the poem is clear to you. If you face any query, you can ask me.